we about to check this one out. First of all, it has a shared driveway. Oh Lord. The roof definitely looks like it needs some attention. Wondering how to find vacant properties. Look at that mailbox. The pieces missing up there. Fish right there. You see all this bar there? Yeah, I see it. Still not too bad. Probably could take a little bit of love, you know, a little tuck point. Needs a new driveway, my lord. This house don't look that bad on the outside, but that roof though. Look at this. Look at the scene. Step up on the scene. It is not clean. Weak porch.
What about this ladder?
Oh wow.
This is a total rehab. They ain't touching nothing.
Like, yeah, open up.
Lunch anyone? Ooh wee. They need to come up off that price. Come baby. You got it?
Okay.
Don't touch the floor. Don't touch the floor. Dirty. Dang. Large amount.
Stop.
Wow.
Oh, fish.
What the
Remember
heck?
when you saw the stuff, checking the floor, started you like,
So why that ceiling look like that?
We're downstairs right there. Cause the water probably was leaking right there. Like sometimes in them gutters and stuff.
Mmm.
If it's spray foam on the window.
The bathrooms don't even look that bad.
it looked ugly. Really
They
bad.
don't look as bad as the rest of the house.
More
It's crazy because this drywall and stuff, back then it used to didn't look that bad to me. But now, with all that taping and moving, bruh. Don't touch nothing, dude.
This,
Come on, baby.
this one.
I wonder if them people across the street know about it. They just pulled up. Shoot, they want that house across the street. They might want this.
Right.